Elephants are very big animals. They have big ears and a long trunk that they use to eat, drink, and say hello. Elephants eat grass, leaves, fruits, and tree bark. They eat a lot every day. They live in forests, grasslands, and savannas in places like Africa and Asia. Elephants are kind and smart. They love to play, splash in mud, and stay in groups with their family. Elephants live with their moms, aunties, and baby elephants. They take care of each other, just like a family. So, elephants are big, gentle, smart, and they love being together.